I have here is a AC blower motor for a Dodge Ram truck. It's 2001. The fan speeds are running sluggish at all speeds, so I suspect the motor is out. Couldn't find the motor resistor if it has one, so I'm going to replace the whole motor. Anyway, I'm going to have to unsolder, or I could guess cut the wire so I could attach this connector here to the original connector on the truck. I guess the generic brand, which comes with a lifetime warranty. You have to splice in this old cable here I just showed you. Let you know. Okay, here you splice it with a crimper, and the wire is going to be a little long. I didn't want to buy a new butt connector, so that's the entire wire, and that's the original connector that came off the old motor, and this is the Chinese version, probably, the motor. And there is the here's the attached fan blade attached to the new motor. It has a circular clip, compression clip on it that you have to squeeze it with a pair of pliers to remove it. One thing I forgot to do after I put the fan blade on was there's a little rubber gasket that goes around the entire motor that flushes up to the intake duct. I forgot to put that on, so I figured I made a mistake when I attempted to put it on. It seemed like there was too much gap there, so don't forget to remove the old gasket, rubber gasket, off your old motor. Okay, there's the AC blower motor with the housing attached around it. It's just a protective cover that protects the wire and that hose that needs to be attached at both ends. And then up above here you'll see a little place where the connector slides into the other connector to keep it secure. And that connector end is right down here, and I must lift it up. I removed the glove box just to allow easier access into the assembly unit there, as you can see. There are three 8mm nuts that hold the blower motor. The one toward the back of the firewall is the hardest one to get to. You have to use a real short, stubby screwdriver that you can kind of tighten with your thumb, or you have to take real short mini ratchet strokes to get it attached. Okay, there's the wires connected to that little clip that's pliable and folds back. There's the splice that I had to make because the blower motor is aftermarket. It has a lifetime warranty at Advanced Auto Parts, so I went ahead and bought it for $45 plus tax. I figured if it goes out, I can replace it again. It's got a lifetime warranty, which, as many of you know, the factory does not give you. So we'll see if it works. Moment of truth. We're going to test the AC now. The car is running. Turn the fan on. You can hear the high blowing. Finally blows high. Before it was working real sluggish, like at high speed it seemed like it was on very low, but when you select it back to slower speeds, it gets slower and slower. All the speeds were working, but it wasn't blowing properly. Here's a medium, low, then super low, which you kind of wonder why they even put a 4 speeds. Probably should just be 3, but nonetheless it blows high. So for those of you that are getting erratic speeds on a 2001 Dodge Ram truck with just a regular manual cooling system, not climate control, just switch out the motor. It cost me $45.99 at Advanced Auto Parts. And no, I don't work for Advanced Auto Parts. Alright, good day.